Okay, let's write it down. We know what f of x is. So this is going to be equal to, well, we're going to take the antiderivative, so that's going to be x. So you're going to add 1 to that. So that's minus 3/5. And divide through by minus 3/5 or multiply by minus 5/3. And then you're going to evaluate that from 1 to r. And what do you get there? Let's see. You get minus 5/3. And then you get r to the 3/5. Minus a minus is a plus, so it's 5/3. And at 1, it's just simply 5/3. All right. Now, certainly, I'm going to say that's it. And we want to look at the key now, see how we're doing. And did we get that? Well, I noticed what they did over here. I'm not going to say it's important, but they did something. And what did they do? Let me highlight that for you. Whoops, did it again, didn't I? That's their answer. Let's look at that. All right, I want to put this down for you. And what they're doing over here, which you don't have to, by the way, but I just want to go through this. 5/3. And you would get 1 minus 1 over r to the 3/5. It certainly does look neater that way. Let's take a look. And I'm seeing that. All right. So again, I agree that they did make it look simpler. I want to point out that on exams, though, this would be an acceptable answer for that question. All right. Let's go to part B, though. And part B says, evaluate now what happens when you go off to the infinity. So the bottom line is just simply, you rewrite it, it's improper now. You write it as a limit problem. And let me go through that with you. All right, so let's put this down. So it's the limit as r goes to infinity of this thing. We just did it. And what are you going to get over here? Let's write this down. 5/3. 1 minus 1 over r to the 3/5. And what's that limit going to be equal to? 5/3. All right, let's get a key out, see how we're doing. And I'm seeing it right here, right here. Thank you.